Hi everyone. What can I do in case of delay in handing over the property in Dubai? Many times I receive this question from my clients, so here is the answer. When buying off-plan properties, you may experience a delay in completing the construction and handing over the property. In this case, the project has not been cancelled and there are no signs of force majeure to justify the delay. The investor's rights are secured in this situation. However, you need to make sure that all the terms and conditions of your sale and purchase agreement are also in your favor. In general, the expected completion date of project has to be mentioned in the sale and purchase agreement. Moreover, if the developer fails to complete the project on time, what will be the consequences of such delay? If the agreement's terms are in favor of the investor, then he or she may have two options. Number one, to ask the court to terminate the contract and get their money back. Number two, to ask for compensation for the delay. To claim compensation, initially we will review and carefully study the sale and purchase agreement. Then we will conduct an inquiry at Dubai Land Department to verify the status of the project and the client's transaction. If all in favor, then we will file for termination. Subsequently, the court will look into the case, and if the developer was in default and such default was not due to the force majeure, then the judge may order the termination of the SPA, reimbursement of all the amounts paid by the client, in addition to 9% interest of the paid amount calculated from the date of filing the case. On the other hand, if the investor decides to claim compensation instead of termination, then it is at the discretion of the court to grant such compensation due to the developer's default. In the best situation, the SPA will have a specific clause wherein the delay and compensation amount are clearly stipulated. Otherwise, an expert might be needed in the case to determine the amount of such compensation. I always advise my clients, in order to avoid hassles in their investment, to take precautions and conduct the necessary due diligence before closing the deal. This is to prevent any obstacles in the future, specifically if they are investing in an off-plan project. There are matters that may not seem that significant, but in fact they are crucial. Some things like, is the developer one of the approved real estate developers by the government? Whether the project has been registered or no? Is there an escrow account designated for this project? And many other details. I hope this is useful and I was able to give you a few tips to stay vigilant when investing in off-plan properties for the first time. Thank you for watching this and stay safe.